I am Kartik Fojdar, Senior Vice President at Reliance Industries Limited and member of Board of Governors for Automation Expo 25. Welcome to the exclusive preview of the first Automation Roadshow at the Grand Mercure Surya Palace in Vadodara on 6th June 2025. This event serves as a preview to the main expo in Mumbai, offering a glimpse into the future of industrial automation. You may be manufacturer, solution provider, or an end user. This expo will provide an insight into cutting-edge technologies, transforming industries, including AI, robotics, IIoT, and smart manufacturing. Roadshow will not only provide you a glimpse of what is going to be a mega show at Automation Expo in Mumbai, but at the same time will provide opportunity to network with industry leaders. Meet me at the Grand Mercure Surya Palace in Vadodara on 6th June 2025 at first Automation Roadshow. Thank you.